Good morning, students. Uh, Today we will continue our chapter Input and Output Devices. In the last class, we have learned about some of the input and output devices. Yes, the input devices are keyboard and the output devices are mouse. है ना? The input devices are mouse, keyboard, and the output devices are monitor, printer, etc. We have also learned that there is a scanner, also one of the input devices. With the help of that scanner, we can put the image or the text of a book or a paper inside the computer. So here you can see, children, this is what? This is a monitor. Here, this is a monitor, and this monitor is what? Here in this monitor, here we can see the output. So this is a output device. Okay, this is a output device, and with the help of this is a keyboard. There are buttons on it, and this is what? This is a keyboard. Okay, children, this is a keyboard, and this is what? This is an input device. This is an input device. Okay, like that, a mouse. It is also mouse. It is also an input device. So now we have learned, we know now about what is input and what is the output device. Now we will move to the processing device. Like it is also given in your book also, that what is processing device. A computer processes data. Processing takes place in the CPU. So the CPU is the processing device. And what is the full form of CPU? A central processing unit is, and it is the most important part of computer. The computer sends signals to the control and other parts of the computer. Now children, you can see here, like this is a CPU. Okay, this is a CPU, and sure, this is a what? CPU. And what is the full form of CPU? The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. Okay, see here. Central Processing Unit. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit, and all the work done is from the CPU. It gives the signal. Okay, it's give the signal to the monitor. Okay, to the monitor and to the mouse, to the keyboard, and all the parts of the computer. It gives the signal. So it is the most important part of the computer system. So now children, you know about the output devices that I have explained you earlier also, that what are the output devices. The one of the output devices are monitor and the printer. So in the monitor you see the output on the monitor, and in the printer the output you see in the in form of printed paper. There are also more output so here are some more devices like speakers and headphones. So speakers and headphones gives out the sounds. You can get the output in the form of sounds, and sounds from the speakers you can hear. Okay, there must be music system at your home and you can hear the sound. आप लोग जैसे गाना सुनते हैं स्पीकर से, तो ये भी एक फॉर्म ऑफ आउटपुट डिवाइस है. Now children move to the storage devices. A CD, DVD and pen drive stores the data. These CD, DVD and pen drives are very small devices. You can also carry it in your pocket or you carry it easily anywhere. Okay, here and it is small. ये जो इतना छोटा सा चीज़ होता है, इसके अंदर आप बहुत सारा डाटा को स्टोर कर सकते हैं. Now move to CD. CD, the full form of CD is compact disc. A CD is a round disc on which you can store data. A CD disc is placed on the CD or DVD drive. DVD, full form of DVD is digital versatile disc. A DVD is also a round disc and it stores more data than a CD. ये CD से ज़्यादा इसमें DVD में स्टोर हम लोग आप कर सकते हैं. फिर होता है आपका पेन ड्राइव. A pen drive can also store data and it is available in different storage capacities. A pen drive is inserted into USB port on the CPU box and it is also called the flash drive. हम लोग पेन ड्राइव को फ्लैश ड्राइव भी बोलते हैं और ये अलग अलग स्टोरेज में आता है. जैसे कि CD में है फिक्स है, DVD में उससे ज़्यादा होता है, लेकिन पेन ड्राइव में किसी में आप 2 GB डाटा स्टोर कर सकते हैं, 4 GB डाटा स्टोर कर सकते हैं, या 16 GB भी, 32 GB भी, आप कितना भी. और GB ये है, आप लोग को समझ में आ जाएगा, ये है यूनिट ऑफ डाटा. ठीक है, कि इसमें हम लोग डाटा को स्टोर कर सकते हैं. Now children, I will show you a CD and this is a CD. This type of CD you must have seen children at your home also. It is inserted in your music system. तो ये है आपका CD. Okay, now this is a pen drive. This is so small. ये कितना छोटा है और इसको इस तरह से हम लोग USB पोर्ट में CPU के अंदर डालते हैं. ठीक है, ये आप इसमें अपने म्यूज़िक सिस्टम में भी डाल सकते हैं. सो how you will handle this CD, DVD and pen drive. Okay, you must be careful by using it. So use a clean and dry hand to hold the CD and DVD. Edges do not touch its shiny surface. ये जो इसका shiny surface है ना, इसको नहीं टच करना चाहिए, नहीं तो इसका जो ये रीडिंग सिस्टम है, ये जो है वो ख़राब हो जाएगा. इट कैन नॉट बी read then by the CPU, by the system. Okay, now do not write on the shiny side. और ये जो आपका shiny side है, यहाँ पर आपको लिखना नहीं चाहिए, नहीं तो ये ख़राब हो जाएगा. Okay, with the marker pen other इसका ये अदर साइड है ना, इसमें आप इसको लिख सकते हैं. बी केयरफुल वाइल पुशिंग द पेन ड्राइव. ये जो पेन ड्राइव है आपका, इसको पुश करने के समय में ऐसा केयरफुल रहना चाहिए USB पोर्ट में. ऐसा नहीं कि इसको आप एकदम ज़ोर से डालें और ये टूट जाए. ठीक है, सो डू नॉट वेस्ट पेपर. प्रिंट ओनली व्हेन इट इज़ नेसेसरी. अब प्रिंटर है आपके पास, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि इस तरह से आप पेपर्स को वेस्ट करते जाएंगे. ठीक है, आप उतनी ही प्रिंट कीजिए जितनी कि आपको ज़रूरत हो. Now I think you must have understood the chapter very well children. So thank you, and if you have understood the chapter, just like the video and subscribe the video. Thank you.